In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use Lightroom presets in Photoshop. So let's get started with this video. What's up guys, Hanif here. Before we continue with this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Also remember to give this video a thumbs up and turn on my notifications to be notified whenever I drop a new video. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a very quick and easy method to use Lightroom presets in Photoshop. So after you have made your initial adjustments in Lightroom here, and maybe you like the presets you have done in Lightroom and maybe you want to move it over to Photoshop, this is the before and after of this image here. So I'm just going to go back to the original image. What you want to do is instead of creating it as a regular preset, what you want to do is move over to File, move over to Export with Presets, and export to DNG. You create a folder that you want to let me just choose a folder. Now I'm going to just create a folder here and call it Lightroom Export. So I'm going to export this to that folder. So after it has been exported, the folder is going to open automatically, and then your preset has exported with the image. So what you want to do now is just double click on this image. If you have Camera Raw installed, it's going to automatically open up in Photoshop with Camera Raw. Now right now waiting for the image to open here. So after loading for some time, now you can see right here that the image has been opened in Photoshop with all the adjustments we made in Lightroom. So including the sharpening, everything in Lightroom is now in Photoshop. So what you want to do now to save this preset in Photoshop is to just move over here and give the preset a name like test preset. So like that, the preset has been created. You can easily use the preset with another image. You can open another image in Photoshop, apply a preset on it. So that's how you easily use Lightroom presets in Photoshop. So this was just a quick video. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.